The concept with the iMakerSpace is to provide an environment to students, number one, faculty and staff, number two, and the community. Get them together or get them here and then take the advantage of the place to learn new things, do new things, and fabricate new things, and find a solution, coursework related or real world related, and innovation and entrepreneurship related. End of it, you fabricate things you want to do, you learn new things you want to learn. We have almost 15 to 20 every semester student assistants or student members. We let them under our student manager or operations manager here. He manages the day-to-day operations here, and iMaker track, we get the submissions, that student manager takes in actions and produce those. And we have student research groups also. He manages those in their hours when they come over here and get things accomplished.
I'm the GA manager of the Makerspace, and one of the things we're most commonly known for is 3D printing. So first and foremost, it would be managing and maintaining the 3D printers so that students can use them consistently every day if they need to, and they do get used every day. So it's important to make sure that they're constantly up and running and able to keep up with the students' demands. I was actually an undergraduate student working in this space for my work study, and it was working as a work study in here was a great transition to my current position. So I kind of think about that as I move forward, is one of these students could end up being the next GA of this space, and it's important to try to attach what they're doing to that potential.
Oh, it's a wonderful place, and we see a lot of good compliments and satisfaction from all people that we have around. Things are so far so good.